everyone, this is Pastor ERRALDO with another reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Today, we'll be reading from Luke 22:35-38. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and look out for a new reading every morning, 5 o'clock Jamaican time. Come and read it. Then Jesus asked them, say, the time it did send you without money, and tell you no fi pack no bag or carry no other slippers. You did charter nothing? Them answer Jesus say, no, we ain't charter nothing. Jesus tell them say, no, if you don't have money, carry it with you. If you don't have one bag, carry it too. And if you don't have no sword, sell no jacket and buy one. Me I tell you no, it right down say, and them call out in name with all the criminal them. What right down? Afi happen. And me to talk about. And it I go on right here now. And it I go down soon. Him follower them tell him say, Lord, see two sword here. That we do. Jesus say. A God word this. Thanks be to God. Remember, God chat Jamaican language.